Want to know how to preview your theme before activating in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, head towards your favorite browser and type in wordpress.com and make sure you are logged in as well. If you aren't, we have created a video. Make sure to watch it. Now once you've done all of that, right here on the left side you can see themes, so simply select it. Now once themes load, here you can see various themes you can scroll through. You can also head towards its categories like blog, portfolio and much more. You can just simply scroll down until you find the right one. Once you have found it, just simply select its home page, and once it loads, here you can see activate. But since we want to preview it first, right beside it you can see preview. But on the right side as well you can see a small preview demo site as well. So you can just simply select this, or you can just simply select preview, any one of these that you like. Now once that is open, here you can see the demo site. Now you can just simply interact with it as well, scroll down all the way and see much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.